You have to plan all the way to the end. You have to be able to see all the different steps in your path, and you cannot let emotions dictate your decision in the heat of the battle. You have to know what you will do when those situations arise. And this is exactly what Navy SEALs are taught to do in their training. In the book Rethinking Positive Thinking, Dr. Gabrielle Ortingen, who's a professor of psychology at NYU, she talks about the idea that you cannot just think positive and hope for the outcome. Now, this is based on solid scientific research studies, and she came up with the 4-step process when you are trying to accomplish any goal, which is called the WOOP. You have to first understand what is your wish, what is the exact outcome you desire. Then you have to go understand what are the obstacles that stand in your way, and then you have to figure out what will be your plan of attack. How will you overcome those obstacles? Wish, outcome, obstacle, plan. That is the key. Now, the reason why this law works is because when you are faced with inevitable obstacles, you will not be perturbed. You will not be stopped because you have a plan of attack. You will know exactly what you need to do in order to overcome and go to the next level.